Okay, this is how it looks. I'm gonna put the casters on. I have to line it up first and make sure they don't touch. Make sure it swings all the way around, and make sure that the piece of wood, he can go here, and then it's not gonna hit that. So it's right there, perfect in the center. Right here also. As you can see, they're not gonna clash. They're not gonna touch each other. So it's perfect right there. Now I'm gonna put this on. And the picture of the measurements are all in there. It's one washer. And here we go. I'm gonna do this one first. Stick it right here. Make sure it's centered. Press in. Mass it. Same with the next one. Put that one right here also on this side. Right there, center. Perfect. Then you turn this wheel, so now you get these two right here. You gotta understand that, you know, they need thick screws or bolts or something like that. This is just gonna support it, just to turn the cabinet. That's all it does. Yeah, that's all it's gonna do. Just turn it. Put this one right here, center it, press down, and that's it. Same with this one here. The last one. This camera just shuts it off. There you go. Right there. Put a washer. Put this right there. And right there. Press down. And that's it. That one's done. This one turns. No problem. And as you can see, from here, it's not going to affect. The piece is going to go here, because it's not going to touch it. As you can see where it's at. Plenty of room. Right here also. Plenty of room, as you can see. And then when it turns, it's not going to hit this one. I'm going to do this one now. So this one's done. Let me do this one right here. Same thing with the bolts. Put you right here. And there it is right there. I'm going to do that one right now. Line it up. Make sure it doesn't go across past this right here. Line it up. That with that right there. And then make sure these two don't get perfect. See that? Right there. So that's done. That's perfect right there. Bring it down. Right there. Perfect. And do the other one. That way a washer will help and support it. Because if you don't put a washer, without the washer, this piece will go right through the hole. The washer will give it that much support. It won't go through that hole. And keeps this thing locked in. Just like that. Do that one right there. Turn it right here. Put it right in the center. Right there. And just press down. Done. And this is the best part of doing it this way. So that way it's flat. It's easy for you to put the casters on. Put that right there. Press down. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, they're both done now. And let me turn. Alright. That's how that looks. So put one there, put one here, and then put two more here. As you can see how it looks. Now you can see the whole thing from here. Some new caster here, caster there. Line this up. See if I could bring it up more until it comes right here. I'm gonna stop it right there. It's safer right there. Make sure. See, it's touching a little bit. Let me back it up. Go back a little. Now it's fine right there, and it's not gonna interfere here. All right, let me do this one. Let me do this one first. Got that one lined up. As you can see from way over there. Let's put that in and just, okay, get that in there. Yeah. That's it. A little more. A little more. That way it's locked in there. Yep, it's locked in there. As you can see now, I can turn it around. It's not gonna hit nothing. One over on that side. And just like that, center it and bring it out a little over, down, right there. That's it, not too much pressure. As a matter of fact, let me see if I could help you with, look at, see where I have this at. I got that at number 2. Yep, see, that's at number 2. And from what I'm looking at from my angle, I can see it's lined up. These two are lined up. All right. Bring it in there, put it in there like that. And press down. Down. That's it. A little more. That's it. And it's done. That's it. See, they don't clash, and you can turn it. All right. Last one right here. And why one here? So that way, these two, if I'm moving it this way, these two won't take the full pressure because there's nothing here supporting. So that's why I have to put one right here so that way nothing comes off. It'll all stay even. The weight will be even throughout. Let me see, turn you. There you're gonna get that last one right here. And just put it this way like that. That's how it's gonna look. Just like that. So that way there won't be too much pressure on one side or the other side. It's all even. Matter of fact, these are 3 inches. 3 inches. Heavy duty. But it's going to serve the purpose. Well, I had 4 of them, so I already did it. This is the last one. This is the 4th one. Press down. A little more. There. And there's no really pulling the trigger and just holding it. No, just shoot a little bit like, and that's it. You don't need to keep going and going. Just bring this one here like that. Press down. And just looking at it from this. Yep, done. It's in there. All 3 are done. And that's how it looks. Down. Rolls. That's the front of it, I can see. That's how it's going to look at full level. Plenty of space so that way. Like if you're on rug, it won't affect it. It's real nice. And just let me give you a closer shot at it. See, that's how it looks from there. That's how it looks. Rolling it around. That's how it looks from the side here. There's a piece gonna go right here, so you're not gonna see all that. And then here's the top. See? Top is smooth. Nothing went through. That's how that looks. Nice and smooth. Nothing bulging. There's no bulges at all. Perfect. And those are the wheels at the bottom. Like I said, there's 5 of them. So that way, that middle one's going to give it support. It's not going to cause the other 2 to put too much stress, and then they'll come off. And the only purpose is just to open and close, as you shall see soon. There it is, done. Alright. Thank you for watching, and you'll see the rest of it soon. That's the base. That's the bottom shelf right there. There you go. All right. All right. In the middle. Yeah. In here. Off. Okay. So there you go. Bring it closer. There you go. And that's it. Just like that.